Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zig, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to become an host on the Boloup Livestream app. It's very easy, so let's get started. First step you have to take guys is of course open the Boloup Livestream app and log into your account. Next thing you want to do is to click on the me icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. So once you do that, from here you're going to find this become host option. Just before you click on that, this is what you have to do. Click on this help option right here. All right, so this is because we actually want to have a clear understanding on how to become a host on the app, right? So what you have to do is to click on help, and then you have to click on this customer service right here. So once you click on that, here you can see you can type what you want Boloup customer service to help you with. So go ahead and ask them how to become a host. So once you do this, within 24 hours or less, you are going to receive a detailed information on how you can become a host on the app, right? So that's it. Once you get the information, you can just go ahead, follow the process, and then you'll be able to become a host on the app. In case you want to find the message, you can just click on the message icon right here. Right, so within 24 hours you'll be able to get a reply. So go ahead, click on that, and once they respond to you, you're going to find the response right here, somewhere around here. So go ahead and read the detailed information, and then you'll be able to become a host. So that's how you can become a host on the app guys. Hope this guide is helpful and you now know how to do it. If yes, give this video a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.